Today we're at Snowhill trails. These are like trails close to home. They're good for like cross-country riding. If you want to train and kind of build your endurance, these are great trails for that for sure. Believe it or not, there's actually downhill sections here that you can hit that are pretty fun. You can get some good speed going through here. Ooh, it's slippery. It's steep. Alright. Careful, it's slippery. No!
I'm
good? You good?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, you got hit on your face.
Is it bad?
No, it's not bad. You're good. Was that your bar end?
No, it's right here. Yeah.
Oh, that's brutal. You gonna send it again?
Yeah.
Really?
If you I just can't get my front wheel around and I got like,
yeah, that's the part I got in trouble in.
I'm lucky that didn't go as bad as it like did.
It's gonna send it again.
I don't know how I'm getting up this.
Yoo-hoo! Nice. They don't have a lot of dirt jumps here or anything like that, like what we like a lot, but you can definitely find fun stuff through here for more advanced riders. There's some nice flow sections. We have some nice rollers. You can actually jump some of the rollers. Phew. Definitely wear a helmet too, because there's actually some huge drops that you could fall off of, like you guys saw. You guys are into sightseeing too. This is actually a really nice spot for sightseeing and taking pictures and stuff like that. There's also a sick trail you guys should check out if you come here. It's called River Trail. It runs along the Econ River right here. It's a nice scenic trail. It's pretty rooty though, so definitely expect hidden roots and being tossed around. So overall, Snowhill trails are pretty good if you're a beginner. There can be some fun stuff you guys can hit for more advanced riders. It's definitely good for warming up and building your endurance.
It's long, pretty skinny. It's got a lot of roots actually, pretty sandy.
So overall, that was a pretty fun day. If you guys like this, go ahead and click like. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching our video. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.